Hi you guys, how are you today? This is Chante from Holiday Credit Repair and Joe the Cart Guy Food Trailers. If you're catching this live, please comment on number 1. If you're catching the replay, please comment 2. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I appreciate you. I wanted to talk about one of the pre-orders sites that you're able to use. It's not specifically for pre-orders. However, I use it for multiple businesses and I absolutely love it. It's called Acuity Scheduling. So this video is more so geared to my food trailer clients and stuff there, or someone that's doing catering, anybody who is just looking to really get their food out to more people, get more money in bulk as well, instead of having to only rely on one purchase here and one purchase there. So yeah, let's get right into it. So Acuity Scheduling is a website and stuff for basically for scheduling and stuff there, where people are able to pay you in full for their orders. So let's say that I was a vendor that did breakfast, right? And I do breakfast combos, French toast, you name it, eggs and bacon, orange juice, hey, things of that nature. So what I would basically do is I would have my combos, drink included, all that good stuff on Acuity. I would put 2 to 3 items up there, and then I would make it so that my items were available if I'm just testing the waters for 1 or 2 days a week and stuff there. It doesn't have to be anything major. So what I personally do is I give my clients usually the $2,000 challenge. They don't have to get to $2,000, but I mean, it's a nice goal, right? So basically what happens is they'll go on Acuity Scheduling on like Sunday. They'll create a free account. You do not have to make a paid account. My first account with Acuity was 100% free. It's for the free 99. So you do not have to go ahead and make a paid account. I eventually upgraded my account because I wanted to integrate my Acuity scheduling calendar with my Facebook so that it made life easy for me on the back end. So it does everything for me. However, you're just going to go on Sunday there and then make a Acuity scheduling account, and then you end up just making a free one. Monday and Tuesday, that would be your job to then go on there and market yourself on social media like crazy. Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, obviously, you name it. And so Wednesday, your goal is $2,500. Now, when you go ahead and you post on Monday and Tuesday, you're going to make sure to say you have 5 orders available. You have 10 orders available. You want to create urgency for that reason, right? Your goal is 30 to 45 plates. But not everybody got to know your business. Okay, so you just want to go ahead and just put out there that you've got 5, 10 orders. It makes people want your food more, right? Yeah. This is just advertising and marketing, right? So you just always want to put that out there and stuff there. There might be certain days where you honestly only have 5 spots available for orders because you've got a life. Maybe you have other things going on. A lot of people that come to me still have their 9 to 5s. So I never expect for someone to just go ahead and throw their job away and just risk living anywhere and just not have a game plan set. So it's good to just kind of ease it in there. Even if you're doing it full time and you want to start organizing it a little bit better, this might be something you want to look into. I myself am starting my first hot dog trailer this year, but I've had my trailer since about 2017, and I wanted to make sure to learn the industry as much as I possibly could from veterans, people that have retired from it, people that have multiple franchises. And I would take all that information and literally just give it away for free to each and every caller as I learn. Because I remember what it feels like to not have all the info that you wish you wanted, and to know that other people that you would ask for help sometimes from other food trailer vendors, they would think that I wanted to be a competitor. Whole nother conversation, you guys. But Sunday you make your free account. Monday and Tuesday you go out there and market it. You can actually use an additional site I'm going to give you towards the end of this video to schedule your posts. So that way, once again, it's another thing you don't have to worry about. But Wednesday there, you want to make sure that when you end up placing your orders and give people the opportunity to buy in full and stuff right then and there, to pick up their orders that Saturday, you want to make sure that you think about your pricing. When I say that, you want to pay yourself first. You are cooking this food with love, with all of your heart. You just want to make sure that you look at your pricing. I paid $45 for like a really good burger combo over the weekend and stuff there. Now that included tip and DoorDash fees and all that stuff there, but it was pretty high price, and I was okay with that because I didn't have to leave my home and stuff too. So you just want to always factor those type of things in there. Add a drink on there for like $3.50. Put ice in it. That way it's, I mean, like, you've got so many different options. So just keep those things in mind. But by Wednesday there, the goal is $2,500. Let's say you really like that amount and you say, okay, let me go out there and try to make a little bit more money. Thursday, you're like, all right, you guys, I have 15 more plate options. Okay, cool. So now you just go ahead and you go out there and do the exact same thing you did Monday and Tuesday. So Friday and stuff there, your goal is about $1,500. You have not bought any food yet. You have not cooked. Yes, you can start marinating your food and stuff like that, but you can pay people on the back end to deliver your food. You can pay people to prepare your food in your commissary kitchen to hand it to your delivery driver now. You can pay for generator costs. You can pay for every single thing that goes along on the back end. Make sure that you can pay yourself first. My biggest thing with food trailers is I can tell you right now, I will not rely on surprise money. That's when you go out there for the day and you have no idea what you're going to make. It's terrifying. You've already spent money on payroll to have people there, possibly, unless you're doing it yourself. But you still have your time to account for, right? You have generator costs, your gas money, your food costs, packaging. Maybe you paid for coupons and business cards, bags. You have a lot of things to look at and stuff there when it comes to your pricing. So the more that you can get done ahead of time, the better. I plan on setting up at like call centers, construction sites, warehouses, shipyards. If you can get out of shipyard and stuff, that's an easy $1,500 a day, honestly. I have my 1-year-old. You guys see my son Cash pretty often. If you're new to my page, I have a 1-year-old son named Cash, and he's my everything. And so I won't be working on my trailer. I'm actually going to outsource labor and stuff. When I say outsource later, I'm going to present my food trailer as a mentorship program to culinary schools, colleges, high schools, because that is what I've seen the other greats do right beside me working and stuff there. Like, I've witnessed it the last few years, so why wouldn't I? And stuff. Plus, I'm just not a whole bunch of fan of the outdoors, right? But I love making sure that my clients are happy, so I'm always going to make sure that someone just as bubbly as me, or if not more, is in that trailer, like, you know, assisting people that come up and want to invest in me and my product. I'm going to make sure that there's a coupon on every single packaging, that the bags look amazing, that delivery is there early. I'm going to make sure to go 110,000% to make sure that person wants to come back and buy from me. So that's just one thing that you want to look into and stuff there. I don't know if you could tell, but I'm a huge foodie. So if you guys do decide to have a food trailer business, or if you're already cooking food, feel free to drop your business in the comment section, and I'll totally check it out, like your page, all type of stuff there. But yeah, no, that's definitely something you want to look into. As promised, the link that you, the app that you want to possibly invest in to pre-draft your social media post is called Postappi. Postappi. I'm going to put it in the comment section in the caption area as well. So that way you can just click on it and go right to it. It might be available though just directly in your app store, but I'll put it in the caption anyway, so you don't have to memorize that. But you just want to make sure to just look into stuff like that there. Postappi will allow you to pre-draft your post for 90 days in advance. It's almost like having a virtual assistant. I promise. If you can actually have a family member, your child, anybody, you can just pay somebody actually for $3 an hour to pre-draft your post for you. Every single one of your posts, you want to make sure that you have what? Your QD scheduling link. That way, every single person that sees it is able to pay you in full. My game plan with my trailer is to be paid 4 to 5 days in advance. The reason why is because I don't want to wait so close to hope that I make my goal for the day. Just doesn't seem smart to me, for me. But everybody's different strokes for different folks. So, you know, if you have a food trailer, or if you're selling food and you just go day by day, that's cool too. But I just like to be strategic with as much as possible and stuff there. So if I'm investing in food and great people to work inside of there, then I just want to make sure that I set them up for success like I would want them to do for me. But Postappi there, it'll give you the top trending hashtags It'll tell you the best times of day to post. It will post on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for you. Now I think they just added in LinkedIn as well, which is amazing for your business there. But once again, whole nother video topic. But I hope that this was helpful to you guys. One example and stuff there for pre-orders, last one, and then I promise I'll let you go, is let's say you have a construction site there. The average construction site is usually going to be there for about 1.5 to 2 years, right? So if you have a combo that you're able to put together for about $15, my favorite number when it comes to like food combos, for about $15, all you need is 50 hungry construction workers. 50 hungry people, preferably in the manual labor field, or like, a hospital site, build site, wherever you want to do there, to get to $750 a day. Keep it simple. Keep it real simple and stuff there, because when you pull up, you already want to know and be rest assured that you've not only made your quota, but gone beyond that. And so that's one of the things that I definitely encourage all of my clients to do. And then from there, it's always up to that person if they want to implement what we end up advising them on during these consults. But yeah, I hope that this was helpful to you guys. I had a blast telling you about it. If anyone has any questions whatsoever after watching this video, feel free to let me know and stuff either in the comments area. I'll make sure to put the flip book on the custom built food trailers that I assist people with. And I'll definitely talk to you guys soon. I'll be going actually right back up to do another video shortly. So bye, you guys.